SS family, how's it going? It's me, Rob, again. So today we're at a special place right here, reserved parking for Subaru. So today we're actually with our friend Dario right here. We're at Subaru Heaven. You'll see how many Subarus this guy has. Go ahead, Dario. Introduce us to your little Subaru collection.
Yeah, so right here I got a 02. It's full of bolt downs, really. There's nothing really special to it.
This is the OG.
This was my first ever Subaru, actually. And then not long after that, I bought myself a 2007 Hawkeye STI. Sadly, I wrecked that one. So,
may she rest in peace.
I bought this. And then I bought this.
Don't remind him.
And then I bought this. This is just like the daily. It runs and drives good. And then over in the garage, we got the one that replaced the Hawkeye.
The beauty.
The Series Gray STI, only $250 in the United States.
Only 250?
Only $250.
Look at this thing.
It's got the this is a special one because it's got the RA block, so it's got the forged pistons, rods. When you buy the car from factory, it comes with the Bilstein suspension, 6 piston calipers, 4 piston rears. It's got the full interior Recaro seats and everything. Got the Alcantara steering wheel.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, I like these seats. I like the leather part. That's what I really like is the leather part.
Like the leather.
I wish my car had that. Yeah. And I like this. I love this bad boy right here. If you're a Type R owner, a Civic owner, or Honda, if you're listening, can you get rid of that electric button thing? I want this back.
I want this back.
Yeah. Ooh, this is short. This is nice. I like it.
So Rob approves?
I do approve.
This is so much nicer than the Type R seats.
I like them. It's because they're not.
Dude, have you been in the Type R?
They're not strict. They're not like not straight though.
Trust me, I'm telling you right now, those seats are not meant for, like, if you're gonna drive that car, you're gonna get so mad at it because you have to, like, I can't explain it.
It's like it's hard to explain.
You like them at first, but once you start getting in and out of the car, you're like, I hate these seats.
Yeah. When you have to move, when you're moving a lot, like in and out of the seats, yeah, it gets annoying.
I love the show on the shift.
This one is so much. It's so much nicer. Look at that. Look at that.
I love the shifts. The shifts are perfect.
Yeah.
This is so nice.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's hard to keep clean though, but
I've heard Alcantara's hard,
yeah.
Especially this because you're touching it all the time.
Once it's dirty, it stays dirty. But the best way,
yeah, give some advice. How do you clean it? How do you clean it?
Some of the best ways is I just I steam it.
Steam it.
I steam the interior, or I use
So you just use a steamer, like a little.
vinegar. Yeah, or I use that.
What is this? Like the steamer just gets off like the little like.
It gets off really all like the dirt and the.
There's no
moisture.
special cleaner to get it, like clean it.
Not really, no. But in my opinion, the
feels
best
so
way
nice,
is just the
though.
steamer. Yeah.
Dude, did you see those seatbelts?
Oh yeah,
I
the
like these
seatbelts.
seatbelts,
Yeah.
dude. They're better than mine.
Oh, that's a nicer red.
Yeah, it is a nicer red.
They're so.
I like you see. I like the.
I like the mixture of the leather and the Alcantara. That's really
Heated
nice.
seats as well.
It's awesome.
And they're heated seats. Come on, Rob.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the Type R doing, dude? You know you can't go wrong with this wing.
And then the color too. The color, it's the they call it the cool khaki gray from Subaru.
And you got the nice wheels. Look at this.
Ray gray lights, 57 CRs. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 38. They're 255 tires.
Nice.
Yeah, she's stock for now, but my plan is to get the AWS.
So it's got some plants coming.
Yeah, it's got some plants coming.
Mm.
Well, let me start it up.
Let's start this thing up.
Let's start this thing up.
I know Rob's been dying to hear this. All we gotta do is we gotta install those fog lights.
Oh yeah, they're from Japan.
They're from Japan.
They were $500.
$500?
Yeah, these are very close to the RA ones.
Yeah, it looks like a Rob job. Rob is a professional.
Like maybe just put it, you
For
know,
right
under
now?
it. Yeah, just put it, you know, like under it.
Yeah, I know.
Just
what
kind
you
of
mean.
like hide it. And
It
then I
has to
can
go
use,
in
like,
through
the zip
here?
tie, like,
Yeah, I know
somewhere
what
over
you
there,
mean. Wait, it has to go in through here and connect down there?
Yeah,
Just
this,
because you gotta put the on and off.
Oh.
yeah, because this is for the inside of the cab.
Yeah. So we're trying to figure out where to put it to hide it.
That'll
But
be fun.
the thing is, there's like these two little holes, and I don't know. It's just I'm not kind of. This one looks like there's something in it. This one looks like there's nothing. But I'm not really. I can't talk right today. So we're just gonna kind of
Rig the
put
system.
ties on this. You know the car people's favorite thing, zip ties. Just leave it like this,
Interesting.
Dario.
Yeah. Yeah, why not?
Why not?
That's actually really nice.
Technology, okay, so you're gonna leave it right there?
Yeah, because it's gonna be a little bit easier for him. So you know, this is where he has to turn on his lights. Oh, sweet! And then I just gotta put this on, and then boom, boom, we're done.
Yeah, smartest one here.
Yeah, at least I'm making ideas happen.
Hey. Well, as you guys can tell,
It never goes as planned.
it never goes as planned. They don't know how to. Having troubles. There once was a tale, a very scary tale.
Just hold it like that. This is the right size. Look.
But why isn't it like? It's like it's not going in. Here, wait up. Let me see something real quick. Is it stuck?
Maybe that's as much as it can go.
Oh, it won't tighten?
For some reason, it's not.
Or maybe that's what the stuff is for. To kind of have that back.
Oh, like a
support
little
piece.
cushion?
Yeah, like a little, you know,
Grab by
cushion, maybe.
You know?
See, look, because I can see, because I peel this off and it gets like sticky. So, like, what's this for?
What's
this for?
What's this for?
You know what I mean? Like, where do I put it?
So whoever made these products and stuff, can you give some instructions in English at least?
Or at least instructions that we can translate that are better.
Yeah, cause
We're fucked.
yeah.
We made a discovery. We figured it out. After evaluating the scenario and
situation.
the situation, Dario has figured it out. Well, I'm sorry. That guy over there.
No, we didn't. We all
Wow.
did.
See?
That's how we say it. We all figured it out.
Oh, thanks, Rob. You even met me? That's nice of you.
Not you.
Oh.
Upside Jesse.
Okay.
And those little, you know, like orange marks on.
That's where you
these
click them
wires,
up. Yeah.
That's where you.
Because you know how there's two.
There's two. Of
I
them.
didn't see that there was
Yeah,
two. I thought there
yeah.
was only one.
No. Yeah. So that's really cool.
This is a zombie attack. Did it work? What the fuck? Did it even make a hole in there?
No. Where did it go? See, we're gonna need to grab some like some pliers and actually like pinch this
You think
in
so?
there. Yeah. So you want to bring me some pliers?
I'm assuming they're over here, right?
Yeah.
Which drawer do you know? I couldn't find any pliers, but I found this. It's the second best thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. See how it's already cutting at the wire?
That perfection. The little thing fell out again, didn't it?
I'll just do that last. Because that's what's important is we get this right.
Keep going. Wait up. You gotta like push that, like that top part right there where it clips on and stuff. You push it down a little bit. Fuck.
Is it in? No, not yet.
Oh, shit, I can't
That's
see.
fine. Like we'll get that later. Like as long as we get this in there, like that.
Did it snap? No, it didn't.
No.
What the fuck?
It's a hard ass wire. Oh,
Oh.
I I heard it click.
No, it was my nail.
Oh.
You guys are all excited.
Oh, you heard
Excited
like,
for my nails.
I heard it click.
No, dude, like what the fuck?
You have to squeeze it hard as like hard.
Yeah. Oh, it's like really getting in there.
Ooh, maybe we had to. I don't know.
No, because that's how you're supposed to do it. Yeah, just fucking squeeze that shit.
Go Rob. Go Rob. You're used to squeezing things.
I'm done. I don't know, dude. That thing's really in there. That's like really hard.
So, unfortunately, Street Spartans couldn't do it today. We couldn't get it done. Second time in a row.
Yeah. Oh, no, not the second time. This is the first time.
So, I mean, we got them on, as you can tell. I mean, they look nice. The only thing is we cannot get them to power on. So, you know, hopefully if we can get this video released ASAP, you guys can give us your input. Whoever, if anybody out there has these, give us your input of how do you have these connected within the internals? Because we tried different methods and we could not get it done. We could not get it to turn on. All right, well, this is it for this video. You got anything to say, Rob?
Nope.
Oh, whoa! What's with the hair? Oh, get him! Oh, get him! Yeah.
It's not
Yeah,
as long,
come on,
it's not as long as I had it before.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
I'm gonna cut my hair
I'm
now.
gonna cut his hair now after that. Okay.
Actually, no, I can't cut my hair. They close everything down again.
Well, there you have it. So there's a beautiful STI, shining it up,
And my Type R.
and the Type R right here. Yep, Type R, Cord Edition, real nice. Got the other ones, the beater, the daily. It's all here. The Type R. Don't forget about the Type R. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, unfortunately a failure, but we'll get back at it. Peace out.